हाँ बस 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 हाँ बस बेटा you can take it yeah. Hey people, so we are at this place called Gufa, and as you can see this is called mushroom labdar or something. And when I took a look at the it's fairly reasonable, as in perhaps since it is this side of the city, that is near Himayat Nagar and Bashir Bagh. So this was one of the first ever restaurants, theme restaurants to open. So as you can see, it's quite the ambience. Okay, so 2001, so that's more than 20 years. So that's, how does it taste?
Because I've only met him twice.
Really good. I'm glad we are here.